Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video on the Mow Time channel. And as you can see behind me today, it is a wet and rainy day in Brisbane, so not getting any mowing done today, unfortunately. It's just too wet. We have had constant rain for the past 2 days here, and for me, I just don't go out when it's that wet. I think you cause more damage than good when you're going out when it's that wet. So yeah, no mowing for me today until we get a bit drier weather. So it is a chance and an opportunity for me to finally get onto some pressure washing that I've been meaning to do at Mow Time's home base for ages now. It's a part of the long list of things that I need to do, but unfortunately just don't ever get the time. Like anything, like they say, a builder's house is never built or finished, etc. So yeah, it's like my place. There's a big long list, but I'm just too busy with work to get onto it. But I thought, yeah, now's the opportunity to get into it, and I thought I'd bring you guys along for a bit of pressure washing. So I hope you enjoy it. It's only a small amount I'm doing out the front today because I've got other things to knock on the head today. So I thought I'd at least get this one out of the way, and you guys can enjoy some satisfaction of seeing some dirty concrete turn up nice and clean and fresh again. Where I'm doing, I don't think has ever been done ever. So it's pretty dirty, and I'm keen to see the finished product, as I'm sure you guys are too. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day. friends, we are now all finished up on the pressure washing this concrete. I hope you enjoyed the little striping video I did. I don't know if anyone's ever seen stripes laid in concrete other than on lawns, but I thought I'd do something different and show you guys some different striping patterns that you could do in your lawn if you're watching this, or you can do in the concrete when you are pressure washing. If you have kids or something like that, they might find it pretty funny or like the artwork on the concrete. So just an idea if you're doing your own home. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. As always, I hope you're staying well mentally and physically. If you have any comments, please if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Pressure washing isn't part of my business. I don't do that. I've thought about it, but I am far too busy to take on any more form of work, so I'm not doing that at the moment. So this was just a thing at my own home that I wanted to do, and I thought I'd bring you guys along to enjoy the pressure washing video. Anyway, take care, guys, and we'll see you legends in the next video.